welcome. Today we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. We will complete this topic into 4 sessions. In this part of lesson, we are going to look at assertive forms. This change to pronouns, tenses and time. When we want to report the exact words of a speaker, that is called as direct speech. For example, she said to me, I am playing. The exact words of the speaker are enclosed in an inverted commas. Point to be noted, said is a reporting verb. I am playing is a reported speech. In indirect speech, the actual words of a speaker are transformed. For example, she told me that she was playing. The words are not enclosed in inverted commas. So, what have changed? The pronoun has changed. Secondly, the verb of the original sentence has changed. Third, the two parts of a sentence is connected with that. Note that if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, there is no tense changed. For example, she says, I write a letter. She says that she writes a letter. Reporting verbs for assertives. Common reporting verbs for assertives are say, said, tell, told. Next most important point is, if the direct speech is a universal truth, the tense of the sentence does not change in the indirect speech. For example, the teacher said, the sun rises in the east. Indirect, the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Next most important point is, the following table shows the changes that will take place in the helping verbs. Direct speech to indirect speech. Am, is, are changes to was, were. Do, does changes to did. Has, have to had. Was, were changes to had been. Can changes to could. May changes to might. Will, shall changes to would. Could, would, might, had been, no change. That's all for the tense changes. Now just look at the changes we make to the time markers. Anything that is close is made to be seen far in the indirect speech. The following table shows the changes that will take place in the indirect speech as today changes to that day, tomorrow changes to the next day, yesterday changes to the previous day, tonight, that night, this, that, these, those, now, then, here, there. I hope you must have understood all the rules. Now, you have been given an exercise. You have to write it in a grammar notebook. Thank you. See you in the next session.